Hi friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe for the remedy that will help keep your body in good shape. 50-gram ginger. Peel and cut up into pieces. Ginger is used in the treatment of rheumatism. Ginger helps the body fight viruses. 1 orange. Squeeze juice. Orange contains the vitamin C. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system. Supports the health of bones. 1 lemon. Squeeze juice. Lemon is also rich in vitamin C. Lemon has an antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effect. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Turmeric helps with inflammation and joint pain. 200 milliliters water. Beat in a blender. Strain. Drink 15 to 20 milliliters every morning on an empty stomach. This drink will help you keep your body healthy. Can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. One more recipe for you. 1 tablespoon rosemary. 1 apple. Rinse thoroughly and cut up into pieces. Apples contain many health-promoting nutrients. They are rich in antioxidants. They help the heart and brain work. And acids aid digestion. 4 figs. Figs contain fiber that promotes digestive health. It also serves as a prebiotic and food source for healthy gut bacteria. 5 dates. Dates improve digestion. Dates help keep your brain healthy. A piece of ginger. 1 lemon. 1 cinnamon stick. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Boil for 10 minutes. Strain. Cool down. Add honey, optional. Drink 100 to 150 milliliters in the morning before meals. Stay healthy, friends.